let's talk about something we all wish for: healthy, soft, and shiny hair, even after those busy days when our locks feel a little too dry and lifeless. Today, we're reviewing a product that promises to give your hair that much-needed revival: the Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Revitalizing Mask. If you're someone who's constantly battling dry or damaged hair, especially after heat styling or coloring, you're probably looking for something that can really make a difference in restoring your hair's health. And this mask claims to do just that, thanks to its powerhouse ingredients like black seed oil, known for its deep rejuvenating properties. Before we dive into my experience, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can stay updated with all the latest reviews from Beautyistic. Now let's see if this mask really lives up to its promises. This Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Revitalizing Mask is all about restoring softness and moisture to your hair. It's a deep conditioning treatment designed to penetrate dry, overworked strands, bringing them back to life. And that black seed oil? It's packed with nutrients that not only help with moisture retention, but also fortify and protect against further damage. The formula is free from sulfates, parabens, and gluten, which makes it a good choice for anyone looking to steer clear of harsh chemicals in their hair care routine. Now let's talk about my experience using it. I applied the mask after shampooing, making sure to remove excess water from my hair before distributing it from the mid-shaft down to the ends. The consistency was creamy, and it spread easily without any tugging on my strands. It didn't feel too heavy or greasy, but it did feel rich and nourishing. I let it sit for about 10 minutes as suggested, and when I rinsed it out, my hair felt incredibly soft. It was noticeably smoother, and there was a healthy shine that wasn't there before. I've tried a lot of deep conditioners over the years, but what stood out with this one was how well it softened without weighing my hair down. My hair usually gets weighed down by heavy treatments, but this one balanced moisture and lightness very well. As for the pros, it deeply nourishes, leaving your hair feeling smoother and more manageable without the greasy residue. It's sulfate-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free, making it a good pick for those with sensitive scalps or those following specific beauty routines. Plus, it gives your hair a natural, healthy shine that looks refreshed but not overly coated. On the flip side, the price point is something to consider. While the results are impressive, it's definitely more of a luxury item. If you're on a tight budget, there are some alternatives out there that might deliver similar hydration, but you might not get the added benefits of black seed oil. Is this a good investment? Well, if you're looking for a treatment that really works on dry or damaged hair, and you're ready to splurge on something that's effective and cruelty-free, then Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Mask is a solid choice. For those on a tighter budget, there are other deep conditioners that could get you similar softness and shine, but you may miss out on the unique benefits of black seed oil. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and the product feels luxurious with a nice thick texture. One jar should last a decent amount of time, especially if you only use it once a week or as needed. So it's a pretty solid value in terms of quality and longevity. If you're not totally convinced about this product, there are a few other deep conditioners that I've seen people gravitate towards for similar results. But if you want to treat your hair to something that brings a little luxury into your routine, this might be your best bet. So, would I recommend the Chai Luxury Black Seed Oil Revitalizing Mask? Yes, especially if you've been dealing with dry, damaged, or overworked hair. It's an excellent deep conditioner that brings moisture and shine without leaving any residue or weighing your hair down. If you've tried this product or have any other hair care tips you swear by, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget, you can find the link to this product in the comments or the description box below. And remember, stay beautiful inside and out.